Divyuday Joshi.
Yes.
You are known as Crazy.
Crazy JJ.
Why? Why? શું કારણ છે ક્રેઝી શબ્દ માટેનું છે?
If you see my tagline basically, this is my many years of experience. Crazy people create history. Wise people normally read history. You go back to the history, right from Tata to Mr. Ambani. They are really crazy. Crazy in terms of ગાણપણ જે કે પાગલપણ જે કે એક નશામાં કામ કરો basically. That is called crazy. If you see the fifth meaning of Oxford Dictionary, they have very precisely clarified crazy. It means it is extremely enthusiastic. So if you are not on pinnacle for anything, you cannot achieve that thing which you want to achieve. So that is why it is called crazy. That is why it is called, don't get involved. Again it is A plus B, but get diluted with whatever you are doing and you are everywhere. Simple. Very simple. You take a glass of water and put a sugar into it.
Right.
You cannot see sugar anywhere, neither at top or bottom. It is get dissolved totally in the water. But then you take water, either just simple sieve right from the top or from the bottom or from the center or from the corner, and you will see the sweetness of that sugar. What is that basically? So whatever you are doing, if you are not going to that level and that stage, impossible to bring mithas what you have within you.
Okay.
That is how it is a crazy basically.
આપનો પ્રોગ્રામ છે રાજકોટમાં.
હાજી, હાજી.
ટાઇટલ છે રાજકોટમાં વાવાઝોડું.
That is
So-
what I think the credit goes to Wonderland, I think.
So what exactly it is about?
Vavazoda means my all programs and all are known like not a Sufi and philosophical talk. Because basically even today also I am a consultant. So my bread, butter, cherry and jam, everything is a consultancy. And what training and what this kind of development I have done, this is only purely out of passion, nothing else. Because I enjoy that. And again it is not that something I read from Mr. Kotler long back when I did my MBA about 25 years back. And the same thing you are churning out again and again. No, it is not that. Being a consultant, હું આજે પણ માર્કેટમાં છું, આજે પણ સેલ્સમેન સાથે મારી દોસ્તી છે, આજે પણ હું ડીલર અને ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટરને એટલો જ પ્રેમ કરું છું, આજે પણ ડીલરો અને ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટરને હું એ પ્રમાણે જ અપોઇન્ટ કરું છું, આજે પણ અઠવાડિયામાં કેટલાય અપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ લેટર સાઇન કરું છું, મહિનામાં કેટલાય સેલ્સમેનને ઇન્સેન્ટિવ આપું છું, કેટલી કંપનીના બ્રાન્ડિંગ માટે બેસું છું. એટલે આઈ એમ એબ્સોલ્યુટલી અ રોલિંગ સ્ટોન યુ કેન સે ઇન ધ સેમ પ્રોસેસ. એટલે જ્યાં પણ સેમિનારમાં જાઉં છું કે જ્યાં પણ ટ્રેનિંગમાં જાઉં છું, એટલે જે બની રહ્યું છે એ હું મોબાઈલ નંબર સાથે, ફોન નંબર સાથે, ડાયરેક્ટરના નામ સાથે હું આપું છું કે અમે આમ કર્યું હતું અને આમ મળ્યું. એટલે પીપલ લાઈક the most practical approach rather than the theoretical approach. Even though theory is nothing, it comes out of a practical experience only. Whatever your thoughts are there, when it is frozen on the piece of paper, it is a theory.
Right.
But if you see very precisely, it is a purely today's what is happening in the industries, how the industry is taking change, what is going to be happen in the futuristic process. વેરી સિમ્પલ એક્ઝામ્પલ, પહેલાં આપણે માર્કેટિંગમાં વાત કરતા હતા કે તમે કોઈ ટાલિયા માણસને તમે કાસ્કો વેચી નાખો તો હું માનું કે તમે સેલ્સમેન છો, યા તો તમે કોઈ હિમાલય પર જઈ અને તમે ફ્રીઝ વેચી નાખો. આજે જ્યારે મને આ કોઈ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યો તો મને માણસ એમ લાગે કે ઓહો આ તો 500 વર્ષ જૂની વાત કરે છે. Because today the marketing trend has changed. Today the expectation of the people has changed. And today people are very much knowledgeable and they know precisely what they are looking for. That is why today they don't require a salesman. Today they require assistant just to push them and just to help them rather than to guide them. They know very precisely when they are entering any mall, they are entering in any kind of a shop, they know precisely what size they want to buy, what brand they want to buy, what color they want to buy, why they wanted to buy, whether it is evening wear they wanted to buy or whether it is a party wear they wanted to buy or it is a formal wear they wanted to buy. They know each and everything. Very precisely they know exactly where they want to go and how they wanted to do and what they wanted to purchase. So that is why what they need is a little push.
Okay.
Very precise. And that is why I said basically कि now it is like an insult when you say कि कास्को को टकला ने बेचो. No. As a salesman, if I am there and if you don't have hair and if you are bald, I will say no, sorry, this is not for you. This is precisely made for the person like Shah Rukh Khan who has a groomy hell.
Right.
મારો પ્રોડક્ટ સારા માણસો માટે છે, તમારા માટે નથી. So selling my product for you, it is not a salesmanship. હિમાલયમાં જઈને મારે બરફ વેચવાની જરૂર નથી, એના કરતાં હું દુબઈમાં જે રણ પ્રદેશમાં જે બેસે છે એને વેચીશ, કારણ કે ત્યાં મારા પ્રોડક્ટની જરૂર છે. So everything is segment oriented. Please understand. It's very important. All your talk, what we are doing, we used to do about a long back. This looks to be a funny nowadays.
Okay.
The futuristic approach is totally different.
And like you said, this is your passion.
Yeah, it's pure passion.
What is the source or what is the inspiration of you for being in this profession of consultancy?
See, I was in service for about 10 years. I started my career with the pharma company, and then more with the FMCG, and then at the end I was with the capital item, which is related with the electrical company, which is called Jensen Group of Industries. So 10 years I was there, and fortunately everywhere my first boss was Bori, second was Sindhi, and third was Marwadi. So I'm so fortunate that I got this kind of people, and they know how to squeeze people. So people normally take in a negative sense, I take in a very positive sense. And I have traveled extensively, and when I see the people, I really fall in love. Okay, this is something, because I consider management is not the the subject. Management is a sadhana, and that is why I always say my profession is my prayer. Because unless you don't fall in love with that kind of things, you cannot create. That is how we inspire you. When you go and when somebody is talking like this, you know, oh, to main 25 વર્ષ પહેલા આમ કરેલું તે માસુ વાત છે. તમે આમ કરી નાખો. When people started working, then it is working.
But like you said, most of the things we hear today are theoretical.
Yeah.
People do attend the seminars and they come out with the, impression of, I heard this, one more time.
Yeah.
So what according to you is lacking in really selling the things?
Only one thing, and it is a fear, nothing else. Even though people know that faith is more powerful than the fear, but we are not ready to leave that fear, and that is why we remain in the lifetime in the fear, nothing else. The moment you remove that fear, that is the only thing you require in your life. If you want to make your life and if you wanted to live your life, kill that fear. The moment you kill your fear, you become fearless, and then whatever you have, it is a volume, nothing else. Very simple, it's just fear, and that is the only reason you are not be able to jump the way you want to, and that create a problem.
Right.
Second thing, I found people are absolutely indisciplined. With due respect to everyone, what I have seen this. We travel extensively internationally. When we come back to the India and we sit with our family, we give very big result. We can give very big examples. Australia માં તો આમ થાય છે, અમેરિકા માં તો આમ થાય છે, અને ઢીકણામાં તો ફેમ થાય છે, અને 9:30 વાગ્યાનો ટાઈમ આપ્યો હોય તો બરોબર 9:25 રિસેપ્શનમાંથી ફોન આવે, sir, somebody is waiting for you in the reception, and you feel proud. But what happened? The moment you land in the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus airport, you become the original as it is Indian. Why? When you know that this is happening, and you know that this is paying, and you know that this is, even you also liked it very much,
yes,
then why you are not able to implement in yourself? People talk big, but they never perform big because they have a casual attitude. That casual attitude kills the people. It's very important.
The attitude changes from place to place.
I would not say attitude changes place to place. You change the attitude and everything will get changed.
Okay.
It is other way. You need to change your attitude. I have seen, I just came from Virpur. In between I saw with due respect to what I am talking to you, I saw so many, the Mercedes and all these things, just crossing to that Fatak. The
Right.
people are sitting in Mercedes. The status is different. But the person who is driving the Mercedes, his attitude is worse than the rickshawala. I surprised when I came in and I saw this. Absolutely indiscipline, I would say.
Traffic sense.
I would not say traffic sense. And what is traffic sense? And ultimately it is you which make the country. It is you which make the company.
Right.
Ultimately it is you become the head of the family. So ultimately it's you. Everything start with you and everything end up with you. But